This your boy KenFixIt, and today we got this 2017 Ford Explorer. We're gonna be changing the sway bar link. Check it out.
Overall, this is a pretty simple job. After you take the tire off, all you have to do is remove 2 bolts. So just to get the bolt loosened up, I use a 21mm socket. And then after that, I use a 10mm on the outside, and then on the inside, I use a 21mm wrench. Loosen it up, and it came right out. I use the same exact thing for the lower sway bar link. We got that boy right out of there. Then you just want to maneuver it around a little bit and it'll pop right out of there. And this sway bar link has seen better days. Definitely needed a change.
Now with the old and with the new.
This is a tight little space right here, so sometimes you might need a crowbar to pry up in there and free a little bit of space up. But me, I maneuvered it around a little bit and got it to fit right in. All right, we got it in there. Now we just gotta tighten them down. We'll just hand tighten them to get it started. I purchased these parts from Detroit Axle online. There's a bolt on the back of it, which is a 19mm. I just put a wrench right there, and then I use the impact 21mm to tighten it down. Anytime I'm tightening a bolt with the impact, I come back and hand tighten it with the ratchet. Just in case, like, it might not be fully tight, you know what I mean? So that's why I come back and hand tighten it with the ratchet. And plus, I don't want to tighten it too tight with the impact. Then for the lower sway bar link, I just tighten it up with 2 wrenches. Again, it's a 19mm and a 21mm. And that's it. Easy peasy. Got them done. We're going to throw the tire back on there. Lock it in. And that's how you change a sway bar link on a 2017 Ford Explorer. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like, comment, follow. Appreciate the support. Please subscribe to the channel. I have more videos coming soon. Stay tuned. And this is KenFixIt signing off.